Hey peeps, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be looking at a grade 7 natural sciences life and living question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 question paper. So let's dive straight in. We're going to be answering question 1.7 of this question paper, and this is based on this diagram right here. Okay, so the question reads, the correct label for part A is the what? Part A is up here. But before we answer that, it would help to just make sure we know that the diagram we're looking at is a picture of kelp. All right. So let's label the part A. Part A is pointing to this bit here, which is the frond, which also you can think of as the leaf of the structure. Okay, so we'll just put a circle around frond because that's the correct answer. Okay, now let's just have a look at all the other ones and see what they are. So the purpose of the frond is photosynthesis, okay, to help the plant or the protist rather make food for itself. Okay, so that's part A. Now part B is pointing to this bulgy bit right here, which is the gas bladder. Okay, you might also call it the pneumatocyst. All right, part C here is pointing to this stem-like structure called the stipe of the kelp. And finally, this bottom part, part D, is the holdfast. The purpose of the holdfast is to anchor the kelp onto the rocks or the surfaces where it will be holding onto. Okay, so that's that for question 1.7. But before I go, I'd like to say a special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. Also, make sure you head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Now, until the next time, stay epic.